Hello everyone. Today we are going to do question number 5 of your textbook of chapter number 7 on page number 311. Here is the question. Past journal entries for the following of firm in the case of firm's dissolution. At the time of dissolution, the book value of goodwill is rupees 56,000. No amount is realized. Here is the journal entry for this. Here, as the firm is dissolved, so here goodwill account will be closed and it will be transferred to realization account. Here realization account will be debited at its book value, that is 56,000. So entry would be realization account debit to goodwill account, amount 56,000. We know that goodwill is an asset and assets have debit balance. But as it is being closed, so now goodwill account will be credited. In narration, we will write being firm is dissolved and goodwill account transferred to realization account. Here, there will be no second entry for this, as it is given in the question that no amount is realized. Now let us see next question, that is second one. In the balance sheet, land building rupees 8 lakh and investment of rupees 2 lakh are disclosed. Respectively, rupees 9 lakh and rupees 1,50,000 are realized from them. Let us see journal entry for this. Here is the journal entry for this. Here, first of all, these assets, that is land and building and investments account will be closed and it will be transferred to the realization account at their book values. Since assets have debit balance, the concerned assets accounts will be closed by crediting that at their book values. So here the entry is realization account debit to land and building account 8 lakh and to investment account 2 lakh, and realization account will be debited by rupees 10 lakh, that is 8 lakh plus 2 lakh. Now here it is given that rupees 9 lakh and rupees 1,50,000 are realized from them, because of which cash and bank balance of the firm will increase. So here cash and bank account will be debited by rupees 10,50,000, that is 9 lakh plus rupees 1,50,000, that comes to 10,50,000. So cash and bank account will be debited by rupees 10,50,000 to realization account 10,50,000. In narration, we will write being 9 lakh of land and building and rupees 1,50,000 of investments are realized. Now let us see point number 4. Goodwill is not disclosed in the book, but rupees 50,000 are realized during dissolution. Let us see journal entry for this. Here, as rupees 50,000 is realized during dissolution, so here entry would be cash and bank account will be debited by rupees 50,000 and realization account will be credited by rupees 50,000. Now let us see point number. Here it is given that in point number 5, the value of laptop is rupees 35,000. One partner has taken it for rupees 25,000. Let us see journal entry for this. Here it is. Here, first of all, we will close it. So here entry would be realization account debit rupees 35,000 and laptop account will be credited by rupees 35,000. Now, a second journal entry for the same would be, here we know that laptop is an asset, and must note that when asset is taken over by partner, then partner's capital account is debited. because the value of asset is discharged from his capital account, because of which his capital balance reduces. So it will be debited. So here it is given in the question that one partner has taken it for rupees 25,000. So journal entry would be partner's capital or current account will be debited by rupees 25,000 and realization account will be credited by rupees 25,000. Now let us see point number 6. Here is point number 6. A partner has accepted to pay loan of his Srimati rupees 40,000 which was given to the firm. Here loan of Srimati is liability for the firm. And must remember that when any partner pays the liability or accepts to pay the liability of the firm, in this case, realization account is debited and respective partner's capital account is credited. So let us see journal entry for this. Here it is. Here, Srimati's loan account will be debited by rupees 40,000 and as partner has accepted this liability, so here partner's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 40,000. In narration, we will write being firm is dissolved and one partner accepted to pay the loan given by Srimati to the firm. Now let us see 7th point. Here is point number 7th. Income tax liability is now payable rupees 30,000. It is not recorded in the book. Let us see journal entry for this. Here entry for this would be realization account will be debited by rupees 30,000 and cash and bank account will be credited by rupees 30,000. Now point number 8 and point number 9 you have to try on your own. This is your homework. Now let us see point number 10th. One partner has accepted responsibility to undertake dissolution procedure. In the return of it, decided to pay remuneration of rupees 20,000 on account of expense, firm has paid him rupees 12,000. See, realization or dissolution expenses are the expenses incurred during the process of dissolution of a firm. These expenses are firm's expenses and should be paid by the firm, but sometimes a partner may agree to bear them. It is also a possibility that in lieu of commission, etc., a partner may bear these expenses. So let us see a journal entry for this. Now here is the first journal entry. Here, as remuneration is payable to the respective partner to perform the responsibility of dissolution procedure. So here the entry will be passed, that is realization account will be debited by rupees 20,000 and respective partner's capital account will be credited by rupees 20,000. Now let us see second journal entry for this. Now here, as the responsibility of the payment of the dissolution expense is accepted by a partner, but payment is made by the firm. So here our second journal entry would be, in this case, respective partner's capital account will be debited by rupees 12,000 and cash and bank account will be credited by rupees 12,000. Now let us see point number 11. There are debtors of rupees 1,20,000 and creditors of rupees 60,000 at the time of dissolution of firm. One partner has taken debtors at 20% less than the book value and accepted to pay creditors. Now let us see journal entry for this. Here it is. First we will close asset and liability account, that is debtors and creditors account, by transferring it to realization account at their book value. So here let us close debtors account first. So here realization account will be debited by rupees 1,20,000 and debtors account will be credited by rupees 1,20,000. And here we know that liability has credit balance and creditor is our liability. So when we close it, here creditors account will be debited. So here Creditors account will be debited by rupees 60,000 and it will be transferred to realization account uh, at its book value. So here realization account will be credited by rupees 60,000. Now next, now here, as it is given in the question that partner has taken debtors at 20% less than the book value. So here our third journal entry would be, here book value of debtor is 1,20,000, and if we deduct 20%, that is 24,000, so we will get 96,000. That means partner has taken debtors at rupees 96,000. So here journal entry would be, partner's capital or current account will be debited by rupees 96,000 and realization account will be credited by rupees 96,000. Then again it is given in the question that here partner has accepted to pay liability, that is creditors. So here our next journal entry would be, realization account will be debited by rupees 60,000, that is the book value of creditor, and partner's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 60,000. Now let us see next point, point number 12. In point number 12, it is given that the profit loss sharing ratio between partners R, B and I is 3:2:1. Undertake the disposal of the following balances. First one is general reserve, rupees 18,000. Second, debit balance of profit and loss account, that is 12,000, and workman accident compensation fund, rupees 18,000. So let us see journal entry for this. See, the balances of accumulated reserves which are shown in the balance sheet of the firm, like general reserve, workman compensation fund, then accumulated loss, that is debit balance of profit and loss account, etc. These amounts are not transferred to the realization account. These amounts are transferred to the partner's capital account in their profit or loss sharing ratio. These accounts are not either assets or liabilities, but component of capital. Hence, it is transferred to the capital account. So here our journal entry would be, here first one is general reserve and amount is 18,000. We know that general reserve has credit balance, but as it is being transferred to partner's capital or current account, so it will be debited. So here general reserve account will be debited by rupees 18,000, and the amount of general reserve will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1, which will lead to increase in capital or current balance of partners. So here partners capital or current account will be credited. So here R's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 9,000, B's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 6,000, and I's capital current account will be credited by rupees 3,000 as per the ratio, profit or loss sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. So here 18,000 will be distributed as 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000 among the partners. And second is given, that is debit balance of profit and loss account. It is loss, accumulated loss, and we know that a loss has debit balance, but as it is being transferred to partners capital or current account, so profit and loss account will be credited by rupees 12,000, and here balance of profit and loss account will be distributed amongst the partner in the ratio of 3:2:1, that is 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. So as it is accumulated loss, which will lead to reduction in partners capital or current balance. So here partners capital current account will be debited. So here R's capital current account will be debited by rupees 6,000, B's capital current account will be debited by rupees 4,000, and I's capital or current account will be debited by rupees 2,000 as per the ratio of 3:2:1. Now again, workman accident compensation fund. account will be debited by rupees 18,000 and it will be distributed amongst the partner in the ratio of 3:2:1. So as per that ratio, R's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 9,000, B's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 6,000 and I's capital or current account will be credited by rupees 3,000. So here this is question number 5th. Now let us see some of the journal entries from question number 6th. So here is question number 6. In this question, let us see point number 5th. Sundry creditors of rupees 60,000 paid at 25% discount. Let us see journal entry for this. Here it is. Here, first we will close creditors account. So we will close it by transferring it to realization account on credit side. So here our journal entry would be creditors account will be debited by rupees 60,000 and realization account will be credited by rupees 60,000. We know that creditor is liability and liability has credit balance, but as creditor account is being closed, so it will be debited and realization account will be credited at its book value. Now, it is given in the question that sundry creditors rupees 60,000 paid at 25% discount. That means creditors are being paid at 45,000. That is 60,000 minus 25%. That comes to 45,000. As here creditors are being paid, that's why firm's cash or bank balance will decrease. So here cash and bank account will be credited by rupees 45,000 and realization account will be debited by rupees 45,000. Now let us see next point. Point number 6th. Unrecorded tax paid rupees 5,000. Let us see journal entry for this. Here, as unrecorded tax is paid, so here entry would be realization account will be debited by rupees 5,000 and cash and bank account will be credited by rupees 5,000. Now let us see next point. Point number 7. Dissolution expense paid rupees 5,000. Now here as dissolution expense is paid, so here cash and bank balance or cash or bank balance will decrease. So here cash or bank account will be credited and realization account will be debited. So I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you very much.